Everyone, today I am here to talk about a significant matter. As you know that this is not only my dream who wants to be public speaker. It's the dream of everyone to be very expert in learning English, but not everyone knows. So what is the main reason of their defection? Why they can't speak in English? Because they are very ashamed to speak in front of the public place. So if you are very ashamed or if you feel shy to speak in front of the public place, I think or it seems to me that there is no much more possibility to improve yourself. So knowing how to speak in front of the public place is very significant, and you have to make some friends who also wants to be proficient in English, and you can make a good communication with them, and you can ask them questions, and they can also ask you some questions. This is how you have a chance to improve yourself. You can do the another thing. This is that suppose I am here to make a video. As you can see that there is no one who can see or who can make me disturbed that I am doing something, and if they see me that I am trying to make a video, they will demotivate me, and they always try to do this. As you know that the people of society and its people, I mean the main work of them is to demotivate people. So they never want to make people appreciate that you are doing great and you have much more possibility, something special is waiting for yourself. They don't have just experience of saying. So it's your life, you have to change your life at your own risks. So never wait for someone's encouragement, you have to do something at your own risks. So life can be changed anytime. Just you need passion and confidence. Confidence can help you to reach your destiny. As you know that a significant number of people have a talent. So definitely you have a talent. So you have to find out which one you know the best, and you have to work like this. So if you are able to find out your talent, I think you will have a chance to get an enlightened life or to be successful in your life. So not everyone knows how to find out their talent. So finding out their talent is very challenging, but you won't face any problem, I hope. So try from today to improve yourself. Suppose you can sing a song very well, so you can try to be a singer. Suppose someone has a talent in art, so you can try to be an artist. So never try to underestimate your knowledge. So underestimating your knowledge is a crime. So you can have a dream to be proficient English speaker, but you don't know how to make a simple sentence. So it's better to stop here. Whatever talent you have, try to focus on this sector. I am sorry. This is very common sentence and common collocation. You can say that it's my mistake. It's my fault. Sorry for that. Pardon me.